butter, the peanut butter, and some sugar. I'm going to slowly add more brown sugar, white sugar, a little more. It's all in there. Don't waste no time. Just mix, mix, mix. And I'm going to do my eggs one at a time. So I am done with that part of it. I do want to add some coconut. Let me see if it's still fresh. Add some coconut. I don't know why this coconut really makes it nice and chewy. Alright guys, so these are my brownies. I have doubled the recipe. It is half a cup of creamy peanut butter, which I did a whole cup. I did double of, it says a cup of unsalted softened butter. I doubled that. 2/3 cup of sugar. I doubled that. White sugar and half a cup of brown sugar, which I made a whole cup of brown sugar. For 2 eggs, which I made 4. A half a cup of flavor, which I did 2. A full cup. A teaspoon. And a cup of flour, which I did 2 cups. 1 teaspoon of baking powder, which I did 2. And a 1/4 of teaspoon of salt, which I did double that as well. And this is what it turned out. And I did add coconut to the mix. I'm going to do my sister's separately and then put ours in there. Let me get my pan. 2 square brownie pans. I'm not going to graze it because this is full with butter. It's not going to stick, I don't think. And I'm doing hers first because I'm going to add some nuts in mine. I just want them nice and thick enough. And I'm going to take hers tomorrow. Like, I know these look like cookies, but believe me, they are not. There they go. They turned out so pretty. They turned out so good. I'm gonna let them cool for a little while, and then I'm gonna take them out and cut them. All right, guys, I'll be back in a few. All right, guys, the brownies are done. They look so good. They look so good. I'm done with all of them. I am going to take these out. I'm going to put these over here on my little stand where I like to have them. Put these right there. And then the rest I'm going to put in a plate. Put my sister some in a bag, a Ziploc bag. And then, yeah, the recipe for us. I'll be back in a minute. Alright guys, so I got my 2 jars. I'm about to make some strawberry, wait, this one is the strawberry and lemon tea, and this is passion fruit and lemon as well. So I'm just going to put some of my organic sugar in, just regular sugar. Brown sugar is just regular sugar. Sugar in there. I'm gonna put some honey as well and some slices of lemon. Both. Should be one. Should be enough. Honey. I didn't get none of my honey from Home Goods, but I did grab a Clover. That honey from Home Goods is something else, y'all. Y'all have to try it. But I'm just gonna use this. Honey. Alright, y'all, I'm gonna take these meatloaves out. They are done. I'm gonna just add a little barbecue sauce on it. Oh, I messed it up. Not too thick, not too thick. Messing my stuff up. No, peppers and onions on top. Nice, fresh, healthy salad. Got some honey mustard dressing and some Italian.
Pour some hot water for the chicken steak.
Italian. Alright guys, that is a nice salad with mashed potatoes and meatloaf. It looks so good. And see you guys later. Hit that like and subscribe, that notification. I would appreciate it. And thanks again.